Time is the most valuable asset you have. But most of us spend hours on repetitive, soul-crushing tasks. What if I told you that in 2026 you don't have to? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated AI workflow that handles your emails, scheduling, content creation, and even data management while you sleep. The foundation, Zapier/Make. The secret sauce is a connector. Tools like Zapier or Make.com act as the brain. For example, when you receive a client inquiry via email, AI can automatically summarize it, add a task to your Trello board, and even draft a reply in your Sent folder for you to review. AI for content and communication. Next, let's automate your communication. By integrating ChatGPT with your Slack or Discord, you can have an AI assistant that answers common team questions or researches topics instantly. No more digging through old threads. Data and meetings. Stop taking notes. Use AI meeting assistants like Otter or Fireflies. They don't just transcribe. They can be set to automatically email a summary of action items to every participant the moment the call ends. Conclusion/call to action. Automation isn't about replacing your work. It's about freeing you to do the work that actually matters. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI strategies. Check the description for the list of tools mentioned today.